In Microsoft OneNote, you can import your own image and then set it as a background so that you can make a custom template. In order to do that, I'm going to go inside the insert menu, and over here I'm going to go into pictures. So inside of pictures, I'm going to go over into my tutorial folder and I'm going to import one of my images. For example, in my pictures, I'm going to import let's say this image right here. I'm simply going to press insert and the image is imported. But right now when you import it, you can see that there's a bounding box. So in order to set it as a background, I need to bring it out of the bounding box. That's quite easy to do, and to do that, simply click and drag it on the right until it's out of the bounding box, just like this. Alright, so you can resize it, place it anywhere, just like this. And in order to set it as a background, you can right click on it and then set picture as background. So once you do that, what happens is that now it's a background. So you can simply click here anywhere you want, and the text is written on top of the background, as you can see, and it acts as a background of the page rather than a regular image. But if you want to change the size or place it somewhere else, you can simply right click on an empty area. Note that it cannot be where the text is. On an empty area that is in front of the picture, and then you can see an option called set picture as a background. Uncheck that, and now it is back to being an object, just like this. And now you want to set it as a background here, you can right click and set it as a background. So you can just move it around, and now it's a background again. So you can also save that as a template if you wish to. You can go to paste templates and save current page as template as well. So that is how you can import custom backgrounds inside of Microsoft OneNote. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.